Welcome everyone to a new stream. I hope you enjoyed your day and are ready to crush the markets again. So let's see. Yesterday we entered a beautiful long position, a buy position on Solana, on Ethereum and Bitcoin, all run into profits quite big today. For Solana, already a rise up for 11%. So we can add one win to the win counter for this day. For Bitcoin, we also said if we can close strongly above the weekly level, naked weekly level, there will be entries for buys as well. We did almost hit our stop loss during the night, but that's why we use a stop loss just below the last lows and we didn't get wicked out. So it's a kind of a luck trade, but we did close two 30-minute candles, so that's why we entered just before we ended the stream yesterday, and the stop loss saved our ass. After that it recovered and went up for nearly 3%, 3.4%, but 3% until our first target. So two winners already from yesterday's stream. Then we have Ethereum as well with a nice upside move of 8.8%, which is a clear winner and stated the resistance from monthly till weekly you could see as a profit zone. So very nice trade as well. So there are 3 wins already for the win counter that we can add to the list. They're fully risk-free trades, so our stop losses are on break even because we hit take profit 1 on all of those trades. So let's see if we can do it here as well. Yes. So there's no stop loss anymore, so no risk involved anymore. If the market continues down, our bigger sell positions on all the trades still keep running, and we did counter the nice move up for a few percentages in between. So markets always move up and down. Price needs to recover. So then we continue to silver. And silver also nice on take profit 1. Yesterday I said we could enter this trade because we nicely hit the 618 or the golden pocket of the Fibonacci levels, and we had a rise of over 2.5, almost 3% until the point of control of the fixed range. This point of control is also the same level as the weekly open low, and the point of control we take from the all-time high we made when we entered the new market, the downwards market. After a 9-week straight up side market, we entered a downtrend again. So this is a new trend. So from the new trends we can pull a fixed range, and then we see a beautiful take profit 1 hit on silver as well. So that's another win on the win counter for this stream. And then we have gold as well. It hit beautiful entry zones, nice support. We still have an uptrend going until, as long as we don't break this low, the uptrend is still continuing. We do see some weakness because locally it's showing some weakness, but the bigger uptrends that we formed is still in play as long as we don't break the lows from the failure area low of the fixed range. So if we're gonna look how much profit did we make on that trade, 1.5% as well. So for the metal market, we had 3 wins for crypto. We have 2 wins on the metal market since yesterday's stream. All trades gave away in stream live. So we can add 2 more, which is on 50 wins. And no, they're not only winners. We did have 5 wins straight in a row, from 2 from the metal markets on silver and on gold. Gave away in live stream yesterday for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, and for Solana as well, as with a nice rise, clear support hit with nice strength coming into the market. Order flow was in line with the price action, with our support areas. We saw a lot of panic selling at the bottom, so was a clear entry for counter trades for our bigger sells to hedge your positions and don't lose money on the little correction in price. Because in the bigger picture there is a new low made, but we need to make a new lower high as well to enter new compound positions on our selling markets right now. So in between we can trade the upside as well. Then we are continuing to Euro US dollar, where we had a beautiful entry given a stream yesterday as well. So we actually discussed that Tuesday already, and yesterday we still hovered around the entry zone. So I said to everyone who was in the stream, we can still enter the trades from here. There is a nice reaction, not as strong as we would like to see, but we are clearly want to break resistance because we keep on bouncing against resistance. So we have to check if the strength is enough, because today or actually tomorrow on Thursday and Friday, there's big news incoming for the US dollar. So a lot of data has coming out on the jobless claims, and also we have a lot of data coming out on the payroll farm and non-farm payrolls. Employment changes, so a lot of important data to keep an eye for. We did rose about 0.2%, which is a very nice reaction from entry for Euro USD. With USD GPY yesterday, we did entered another trade over here, but we did get stopped out after hitting take profit 1. So there is a loss and a win on that trade. Currently, we had this trade with a take profit, and we add on the last pull down also hit take profit. After that, my stop loss was on break even, so we did get stopped out but didn't lose any money because we already locked in take profit 1 on the trend line we saw going on from here. So it was clear to take profits over here because we had a strong resistance before in this area, and that became our support after. So it was a clear sign for us to at least lock in some profits and also put this on break even, because if we did flip to the other side, we don't lose any money anymore. So this trade is gone, but it was a small win. So I'm not going to add it to the win counter because it's fairly small. It was a fairly small trade. It was actually it was 0.5%. So it was a good trade, but not big enough for me to add a win. But for this one, 0.85, we're gonna add a win. So there's one win and no losses made because of our risk management. Then we have USD CHF, which also is showing weakness right now. USD Canadian dollar, which is also showing weakness. So a lot of confirmations for the euro trades to gain some strength, for a silver trade to also gain some strength. We could potentially draw down a little bit to the MPOC of yesterday. So when market opens, I will be aiming at the 618 for other compounds on our move, because we did break the structure of the downtrend and we continued up. So now we are looking for continuation further upside to the upside. And in our case, we will be looking at market open if the orders will be filled. Keep your stop loss just below the last lows. Then we can trade all the way up to our targets. And this is a compound on the move we had over here because we already hit take profit 1. So our stop loss is right now on break even of this trade. So keep that in mind. Nice entry for market opening to keep an eye on. Same for gold. Could see a little pullback when opening the markets and potentially would aim for another entry as well. stop loss just below the last lows. And then we can compound to the upside as well. So let's see how this moves will play out. With both nice entries to watch at, because yesterday we gave away like 5 winners. On crypto we gave away a lot of winners, big wins even. Solana almost 11% to the upside after our entry yesterday in stream. Bitcoin also went up almost 3%, I think. Yeah, 3.3% from entry yesterday's stream. And also we had an Ethereum stream snipe entry from 8.88% from entry live in stream with the chat. So for silver and gold, this is our continuation move. Keep waiting for this support to hit. It could be that we already stay put on the monthly, but I think that's too high of a price for me to compound. I would rather move the compound, move even lower maybe, and we'll be watching here, or aggressive compound up here. So there are 2 entry possibilities. So keep this one in mind with our stop loss. If we hit the 618, you're not getting stopped out, and still risk to reward is 1 to 4.5. So that's quite a big rewards against our risk. So that's worth it. And if we are getting seeing pullbacks, I could even enter more positions over here. But currently, I'm looking for the upside to take all the liquidity that is laying freely on the tops, the double top we have on silver, with a nice confirmation of our naked point of control, and also the value area high that we have a swing failure pattern chance. So big possible upsides. We have a nice head and shoulders in play currently, and the neckline is about to be broken. So that's why I'm aiming for buys. In the bigger picture, we still have our selling positions open. So we do have selling positions from way higher. And we're currently aiming for new compound moves. Could be already here, but I think we could even move a little higher for silver. So keep them in mind. This ones I will throw away because it gets a little busy in charts. So, oh, wait, let me check. You know, we want aggressive first. So it would be around here. For gold, same entry, same thing. Keep an eye with your stop loss on the golden pocket. Keep it just below, so you don't get whipped out on a steep opening price. Let's check. Currently breaking structure. You can see a nice pullback to the downside and use the CHF. We could also nicely trade this. So currently I will be watching the trend being broken right now, the upward structure, also with a bearish divergence in price and strength. So I would watch it move to the downside, retest. So the current support becomes resistance, and this is our entry zone. So we will be watching for a trade here to the downside. Highly potential to at least drop back. Yeah, I think even down here. Let's check. We're gonna use Fibonacci to check which will be our targets. Even one down. So the MPOC over here will be our full targets, and of course we have some take profits in between. But if we do clearly break the support we have right now, so we are working on it, then we can see some support on the weekly, but we did break structure and we have a bearish divergence in play. So this would be a very nice entry zone. Could be a little lower, but I would aim, yeah, right around 0.809 / 0.809. Yeah, It's 809. As long as you're in that zone, it's fine. Could be a little lower, a little higher, but structure is switching. So that's what we are looking for. The same structure we see here. We did make newer lows. We had a structure out to the upside. We did make newer lows, and now we add on to our position after hitting take profit 1. So we have 2 positions open on the same entry, but we hit take profit 1 yesterday already. So welcome to the stream for the new viewers. How are you guys doing? Welcome. I also see some people on YouTube joining. I hope you're all doing great. We are doing great because yesterday in stream we had a lot of wins, and quite big wins as well. A lot of people were full on selling their crypto as we catch the bottom, and we had 11% rise on Solana. We had a beautiful confirmed and also take profit hits, 9% rise on Ethereum, and also a confirmed switch of trends, and nice hit and run of 3.2% on Bitcoin, so we cannot complain. Next to that, the metal market also rose and gained some strength due to uncertainties in the dollar at the moment. So how did you guys react to the market? Did you catch some of the trades we shared in the live stream yesterday, or are you totally new here? Because if you're new here, don't forget to drop a follow. Wrong side. Last month we had an 83% win rate, and this month we are currently being on point as well with 16 wins and 1 loss in 5 days. So quite nice win streak. Q4, Q4 of the year is always the time to shine and always my time of the year. So it has been the best part of my trading career in the last 3-4 years. I think it has been Q4. So how is your Q4 been so far? Already on the grind, or you still have to hustle for that Q4 for the last few months of the year? Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. How are you? Nice re-entry for Ethereum could be on this point of control for another entry, but it is kind of risky because we hit a big resistance. And currently we are in a big selling trend and we are in a big downtrend. So currently I would not be advising on more buys because we catched a nice bottom. We did have the confirmation because we pulled back quite heavily above the weekly level and we closed some candles above. So that's the only reason. That's the reason I was looking for longs. And also we saw in order flow quite some big orders opening that could indicate strong movement, and we did get some strong movement. So yesterday we had live price action that matched also technical analysis and also matched the fundamentals of markets. The market at the moment with extreme fear. But we should keep a close eye on what's happening next. So potentially it still is a rising trade and still our targets would be way higher, but I won't enter on this high of a price. I would like to see the weekly getting reclaimed at least, and then you still have a proper trade of a weekly reclaim until targets from almost 8%. So it's still a nice compound move, but you have the confirmation of the trend continuing and not keeping the resistance we had before here, and now we broke it, and now it is a real resistance. It was a support before. So it could be a potential SR flip, and we could drive lower from here already. For Bitcoin, same. We have support, and now it is a resistance currently. We still have some support here that can become the resistance. I think it's a way nicer and cleaner resistance, especially because we still have a Fibonacci golden pocket. So we have to keep an eye on that as well. But for Bitcoin also no compound trades, just this trade, and if this trade continues down, we have everything on break even and had a nice trade of 3% on Bitcoin, 8% on Ethereum, and 11% on Solana. So So guys, how did you experience the big drop of crypto? Is your account bleeding, or did you also catch some nice moves that we gave away in the live streams? This was in the live stream on Tuesday, I think 2 weeks ago, almost. We have Tuesday here. Last week, so last week Tuesday. And we were already preparing for the move, as we said. Big resistance here, swept all the liquidity, nice move lower, and again resistance. So couldn't be more textbook of an entry. A quiet chat today. Yesterday was a lot more busy. How are you guys doing? Let's get some requests in the chat. Which chart would you like to see? We are currently focusing the ones with the red dots because that's the ones we have trades open that are shared in live stream. And of course, I could check a lot more in the market. These were all requests out of last stream, so we could check your chart as well. We see a big drop in stocks, so maybe someone would like to discuss the stock market right now that finds a clear resistance where the last support was, and we broke structure. So we have an upward structure right here, and we are moving downwards right now. We do find support on our last levels of resistance for Nvidia, but at the moment I think because the structure is still making new lows, this could potentially move quite a bit lower, and potentially still 5% drop to the downside or even more, because there is a big AI bubble happening right now. A lot of people preparing for the bubble to explode and move to the downside again. We're gonna see what they did in the last year, of course. I'm gonna check it back, look back. We started the year with a little drop off, but overall the year up 144% overall, with a lot of news around AI, but they didn't deliver yet. So it could be all a big bubble. Be careful with your stock portfolios. So spread them well and don't bet on tech all in. I think healthcare and green energy is also something to be aware of, because they're really important markets. They're undervalued at the moment compared to tech. So there could be a lot of tech inflows go to different kind of stocks, safer options as energy and green types of energy are. Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome. I also see someone join on YouTube. How are you? Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing great. Currently watching our trade giveaway yesterday in stream, also in the live stream. Started yesterday at 11 with the live stream. I said wait a little bit more, and we did retest it for the entry. So beautiful entry on all the crypto pairs that gave a lot of profits all. So I hope you guys sniped them together with me yesterday. We are waiting still 8 minutes for our metal markets to open. They're currently closed, as we can see. So Euro still hovering around entry zone. We do see a nice reaction from our entry, so still have to wait. USD GPY, we re-entered. We already had one entry from yesterday, and we did a take profit one at night, so it was a beautiful trade as well. Let's keep a close eye on crypto because it's moving fast right now. Welcome, I see some new Kick viewers joining. How are you? Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. So it's a slow market for today. So let's play some Rocket League in between. I hope you guys don't mind. And we'll keep the charts open on the back, so I still have my screen with the charts, and you guys can see both, I think. So. Welcome, I see some new people joining. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. Currently, we're watching the markets with a slow and low volume due to the news coming in tomorrow. So we're playing some games in between. So we warmed up a little bit. Let's play some casuals. Just chill gameplay. If you guys have any requests or want to see some charts in between, just give a shout and we will take our time and get a look at the charts in between some matches. If you want to join, also leave your Epic game accounts or your League account in the chat. Then maybe you can join a match. Okay. Strange kickoff, but it worked. Fake. Oh. He's gonna flick it on T below. No, not on my turf. Teammate shell, really good. Oh, what a save. Okay, we have to watch out. Teammate is not so good. And he also just left the part. The match, so we have to carry in a little bit. And thanks. Nice one from teammate. Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. We are currently playing some Rocket League and also watching the markets. Right, go behind teammates because he has to has it. Oh. Ah, I thought teammate would take it from here. Oh, it was supposed to be a double jump. We have to save it. Ah, he went around, but not quite strong. Let's give him a little bumpy bump. Oh, wow. I have to have it, yes. Thanks. What a save. Fake. He doesn't have the angle, I think. No. He's constantly trying to bump. Whoa. He has one touch, just for teammates. Oh, it's not for teammates. So he was getting boost. He just fell. Okay. I cannot reach it anymore. Oh, it was a nice play though. Uh-oh. Now we're in big trouble. Ooh, we faked it. Oh, he couldn't reach teammates. Oof. Close one. Oh, you can't take a shot there, I think. Oh, I hope teammates saw me over here. Good passing position. We got it. There's no teammate there, man. Close. Ah, it was a little far back. It had to be a pause. Okay, Mr. Freestyler. Oh, it could have been a goal. Oh, it is in. Nice read. Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. Currently chilling because we catch the bottom and also are in big sell trades from higher, so we are gaming in between a little bit. But if there are any questions about the charts, the chat is free to use, guys. Good. Shitty kickoff. Really good cost of teammate. Oh. Oh, teammate is good. I already see how he reads the ball. He's good. I'll just leave him with it. Was a great pass of teammate. The first shot already had to be in. Cool, crazy shot. But he almost pulled it off. Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. Wow. I have to add that. Damn. Whoops. Just gave the opponent a pause. You got to boost and ball. Good. Let him cook. No, I'm just leaving the net open. What a quick bit. What in the... I'm not playing on my best. It's the pressure. Teammates can continue, I think. Great boss. You gave me an open net. Wow. It wasn't open net too. I hope the touch was enough. For a teammate to get back. Yeah. He is. No, I'm waiting. This is not visible. I thought I had it. Damn. Got to be faster. The shot was not bad though. Had to add more power, that's all. Ah, unfortunate for teammates. Could at least block him. Ah, nice from teammates. Oh, he has to have. I cannot do much with his sun ball. Oh, yeah, what a block. Oh, nice ball, teammates. This is not, bro. Whoa, I understand why he wants to forfeit after that. Damn, let's make it the quick next one. There was a poor own goal. Oh, that's unfortunate for him. Can happen in a match, but yeah. Not something you like to see happen. So on the back, I still see Solana consolidating. So low volume in the market still. Whoa, that was a nice fake teammate. Okay. It's a ping pong match at the moment. Oh, I hope there was a better pass. I hope he was closer. What a save. Holy hell. Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. Oh man. What is this for bounce? Okay. I cannot touch the ball. Oh, teammate has boost and ball. Oh. Okay. Oh, yes, it's what a nice shot. Let's go. Teammate for the win. I thought you wanted to finish. Oh, unfortunate. He wanted to score. Okay, that's a quick leave. Uh-oh, I overcommitted. I thought he was behind me. What a nice flick. I missed. Oh no, I scored. Nice. Holy touches. It was gewoon I was already reading it. I never thought he had a touch over there. Out of his flip. Mr. Flip. What a bar down there. What was teammate doing? I went for boost for nothing, but I was there already. Oh, I get bumped. Damn. Unfortunate. It was open. He didn't expected my wave dash speed. The wave dash. Oh, what a bad shot. Shitty shot. That's it. Ah, my bad. No way. I'm not gonna lie, that clip reset was clean as fuck. He's getting every angle. But AZ, he's really good. AZ. AZ. Even with his kickoff, he's there earlier than at C-Bait. Spawn demo? Oh, the spawn's different. No, no, we're not going on the wall. Now we have good pressure. I bumped him at least. No, they're both in each other's way. I like it. Oh, cool, nice shot. Clean flick. Oh my god, I missed those. He's pre-jumping, my dude, already. He's just pre-jumping everything, easy. Yeah, this is not gonna win anymore. He's kind of like it. I think that's the teammate, right? Oh. Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. Uh-oh, teammate. Boom. He didn't like that. So we did it again. Oh, we bumped him this time only. Oh, nice shot. It's just an easy clear for teammates. Oop. Oh. Unfortunate. Okay. Fair. Demoed them already 4 times or something like that. So. Nice, I'm gonna get that angle. Bro, why is he not there? Okay. Ball just doesn't want to get in their net, man. We had like 10 shots, I think. Close. Ah, it's just straight pinching on that. Got to see that type in my bed. Especially because he bumped me, but I recovered. You guys pause. What a shot. Let's go, teammate. What a pinch. Ah, I couldn't reach it. What a nice shot. Nice, thanks. Let's go. I see some new viewers in the chat, in the stream. How are you? Oh, is your teammate again? Nice shot. Still his ball. Okay, I have to back up. The reaction time was like insane. I shocked myself doing that. I was scared to death to restore it. Oh no. Oh, no. It was a nice match, though. MVP. Oh. Yeah, it was a great pass. I thought I hit the ball way harder. Ooh, I lost the kick off bad there. No! Nice shot. Can't lie. Let's go. The pressure was there. I hope to drop in front of the goal. He touched that way too far. Oh, what a control. His teammates fall. Oh. Oh, I thought he just scored. Oh, my reaction time is on point this game. Block party. Ah. No. Whoops. Oh. Let's go. Was not the cleanest goal, but it was a goal. He's beating it way earlier. So watch out. The ball hits. Ding. Oh, I thought he was going to touch it up. I messed up my kickoff. It's not good. Oh no. Oh, I gave that ball to them. Nope, mine was fake. Oh, he's gonna score. Nice. Whoa. It's like one of the worst kickoffs I've seen all evening. I think that's it. Whoa. Oh, if teammate stays there, he's in the perfect position for a pass. Teammate's in big trouble. Oh, ah. If I just left the boost alone, I think I would have made it. I saw him going for that, so. Oh. Let's go. I faked them out twice. Uh-oh, teammate's gonna do a move I don't like. Never go in front of the goal. No problem. His ball or non. Oh, he just left in rage. The teammate don't get this close, man. It's not a tea party in the corner. Oh, okay. No, he touched the ball. Oh my god, I missed. Open net. That had to be it. Let's go. As soon as he flipped, I knew he was through. Yeah, he's ready for that. That's unfortunate. But what do I have to do with it? Nothing, neighbor. You. How are you guys? Nice. Oh, unfortunate, not hard at all. Kept, well, bumped them both, so that's a good sign, but what a shot. Okay. Oops. Whoa, what a block. Yeah. Teammate had to be back already. Damn. Ah, unfortunate. Unfortunate kickoff. Oh, nice shot. Let's go. Nice shot. Let's go. The pressure is unreal. We have a comeback. Comeback things. At least I hit the ball first, but I can spawn out. Oh, teammates go up. Oh man, they're awkward as hell. They should have done. They were on the goal line. I cannot kill yet. Yeah, this is a nice shot. Teammate should have had a touch. Right here. You never expect the backflip, man. No, the other teammate's there. Oh, no. I just thought I can bang it, man. Nice! What a win. Let's go. Oh, chill, King Duck, chill. Whoa. Uh-oh. He's mad. Mad, getting mad about a demo. 1 minute later, demos himself. Like kind of typical. Alright. At least we demoed him again. At least he has a bad kickball, so that we know that. Take it too slow, my friend. This should have been a goal for them. Oh, that's a great pass for me. He fucks it up. That's nice. Next one. He bumped me so hard that it went in the goal. So no, what a save! I delivered it on his feet. He just had to stay in goal. I had it covered, but he bumped me. Yeah. Aha. Oh. Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. It was the ugliest hard cheat I've ever seen. He drove straight past the ball. Next. I would have got it. Welcome to the stream. I see some new people joining. How are you guys? No, would have been a nice finish. Angle was good. You're still dead, man. Where? build up a personal vendetta with Jabo. He's trying to chase Bumpy. He knew he was gonna go, and he's gonna go immediately too. I knew he was gonna go. This fake is insane. Like, oof, he went flying. Yeah, it's gonna drop. I don't know any views. Oh, we've been in the block line. Oh, he can pass me. Oh no, he's going for it. Okay, still. Important. Welcome to the stream. Couldn't reach it. Why did you jump there? Smart, eh? I gave the pass. Oh, if I had that touch, it was in. Okay. Yeah, I cannot expect to keep up later. What? How did he shoot that? Yeah, what? Through the ground, okay. Yep. That's how you just get scored on. Almost went in now. Wow. having some fun in the chat on Rocket League. So one more game, then we do a final checkup on the markets. It's not that volatile at the moment because of the news coming in tomorrow. Or later this day actually, because it's in the night already. But on Thursday and Friday the news drops, so a lot of data coming into the markets. Okay. So let's take a check on the markets. As I said, not much movement at all moment. So we did a pullback after take profits on the crypto trades we took yesterday. Let me quickly swap this one away too. Like this. So let me start screen again. For a silver, we do see a local pullback, maybe to our entry levels, so keep the entry level in mind for a possible entry. Gold, we just touched our entry levels. We set between the weekly open low and also we opened exactly at entry. But for now, I will keep the weekly open low because we were in game. I didn't enter my trades yet, so I'm gonna wait because I see a little pullback. Still, we did make a new high, so if we keep this lows, this is continuation on to the upwards because we kept this low as well, and we did make a new high over here. We would have seen a nice continuation here, that would be way nicer, but this is still fine and safe territory at the moment for gold. We have to check the news tomorrow, so keep a close eye on the trades, don't over leverage or keep a stop loss open. So be clear with your stop losses. If it moves the other way, you're safe. With this trade, it's already in break even because we already didn't take profit. So let's check Euro. We also have to trade open on Euro with a beautiful reaction actually. So the only volume we did see is Euro, and we can add another winner to the. I'm gonna take a take profit one because of the failure area high of last Tuesday. And we just almost hit it, and I'm going to sleep, so I want to lock in my profits before I will go to bed, and then we can put our stop losses as well on break even. So if it reverses on us on this support area it was before, and now it's becoming a possible resistance, so we have to lock in our profits and protect yourself if the market flips. Always be sure to do that. So let's check. Use the Canadian dollar or use the Japanese yen. Also beautiful reaction with a 0.29 reaction, almost 0.3. And we already locked in profits yesterday. And today we add on to the position at the beginning of the stream. So that's also a nice winner for the stream. So that would go to 18 wins at the moment for November. Beautiful setups given silver a little bit more, so I'm gonna stay and wait if we touch the level. Gold, I think we already hit the Fibonacci CC from this area. It's going a little true. So I did put in my order for gold already. So I will put my stop loss around here. The entry is in on gold. Silver just a second. This is yeah, I want to be a little lower. I'm gonna be very ready for the price, so I have my phone ready to the answer the trades for silver as well right now. Slowly starting to add on positions as we near our entry target, so I'm gonna level it in. So we entered already some first trades, so we're gonna put it here. Put your stop loss just below the lows, so you keep a little safe zone, and we're gonna enter more entries, so the average entry will be around just above the MPOC. So for you guys to know. So then we have discussed all our trades. All the trades are running beautifully. Can't complain, and I think it was an amazing stream again. So I will thank you all for watching, and I will say see you next stream, guys. I hope to see you tomorrow, but it could be a little busy for me. So I think tomorrow there will be a stream, but maybe a little shorter. Have a nice evening, and see you next time on the Pipurax stream.